Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about Ledger Nano X, which is a new hardware wallet developed by Ledger company, which is Bluetooth enabled. And of course, if you are new over here, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification to get new videos. And of course, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you do not like it, just thumbs down. So let's get started. So as you can see here, right now Ledger is in the pre-order stage. The shipping will start in March, and once if you purchase the hardware wallet, if you order now, you're gonna get this exclusive version, the Genesis Block Edition, which is limited edition. So this is what it's gonna look like, and yeah. So what's new about it? Bluetooth enabled. One, you can store up to 100 application. If you are a hardware, yeah, if you are using Ledger Nano S, you should know that the Ledger Nano S is able to store up to around 3 to 5 or 6. Even luckier, you can store 7 application in that hardware wallet. And after that, if you want to use the other application to send or receive your crypto, you have to install uninstall. So the process is tedious, and I do not like the process. Therefore, I do not really like the Ledger Nano S because of that. So as you can see, it is Bluetooth enabled, but as we all know that Bluetooth enabled hardware wallet, which is previously there's many company out there trying to innovate new ideas, and of course nobody really trusts them because Bluetooth is a weak protocol, I would say. uh People are not really trusting those small company coming out with hardware wallet with Bluetooth enabled. And yeah, right now Ledger has already released this Bluetooth enabled device. Therefore, they're going to dominate the market once again. And of course, honestly, they have already sold millions of units of Ledger Nano S. So they have released this Nano X. Honestly, are they going to succeed? Yes, definitely, because Ledger Nano S has already proven that it's secure. Therefore, the Nano X is gonna be secure as well. If not, they're just gonna ruin their reputation with this stupid Bluetooth enabled idea. And of course, they have listened to the community. 100 app storage, so you don't need to worry about it. Maybe you because on the Legend Nano S, people have complained about it because of the lack of space, and you need to keep install and uninstall. If not, buy a second wallet if you do not want to do the process. Some people bought a second wallet, and of course this one has one button over here. I would say it is, I don't know how does it work. Maybe it's left, up, right, down or something, or you can just move around like a, I don't know, a touch bar, I would say. And two buttons, one screen. So they claim there's two button, but at least on this thing I only see like one button over here, this one button. Maybe the second button is over here, I do not know. I have to wait for it to arrive, and of course play around with it and do a review once I receive it. So this is the proof that I've ordered it. So the Legend Nano X is already currently in pre-order, thus your product will be shipped in a March. So yeah, I paid with Bitcoin Cash because yeah, BitPay, and after that I download the Bitcoin Cash bitcoin.com wallet to pay this BitPay thingy. So it's cost me around 0.8 Bitcoin Cash, I would say. And of course, buying it in Singapore is slightly higher priced. Is if I'm not wrong, if you're in the US, you're gonna buy it at 119, but for Singapore it's 189 Singapore dollar, and for US it's 119, and I convert it around. It is slightly cheaper, around 15 something. So if you are interested in getting one, Legend Nano X, you can use my referral link down below. It's gonna help me out with this channel, help the channel out, and of course this is the video that I'm watching to know more about it. So yeah, basically they have this chip thingy over, yeah, the security architecture, yeah, state of the art security they claim. And of course, I'm going to leave the link of this video down below, and you can have a look and know more about it. And of course, a CEO explaining what is Ledger Nano X about. And of course, I'm excited to wait for this product to be delivered to my doorstep and of course use it. Right now, I'm using the Trezor T, which is touchscreen, therefore is my main wallet. Yeah, the main mainly used wallet, I would say, for transaction. But right now, crypto is in the, I would say, bear market, or some would say bull, some would say bear, but I would say it's still in the bear market. Therefore, no point spending crypto. But yeah, so if you want, you can order this limited edition Genesis block wallet. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like the video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification. Yeah, that's all for this video. Peace.